Alright. Well, hello everybody here in YouTube land. Machine Gun Preacher here. Just doing another quick follow-up video to my first video about the plan for the Obama administration to ban classified by them as armor-piercing ammunition. Just read this on townhall.com. It is March 6, 2015. Breaking news: exclusive common AR-15 green tip ammunition already banned in the new ATF regulation guide. So this article kind of lays it all out. On February 13th, the ATF released a proposal to ban it and opened up a comments time, a 30-day period, so we as the public could verbalize our thoughts on the situation. But as you'll read through this article, and I'll put a link at the bottom of this video, we see in the 2005 ATF guidelines that AR-15 green tip ammunition was exempt in this classification as 5.56, which is the SS-109 and the M855 ammunition. But here in the new 2015 regulations that are put out, that little section is now gone. So under the dark of night, without being shown to us, they didn't really ban it per se, but they took out the exemption from it, which defaults it as being a banned ammunition. So from what I'm getting from this article, green tipped ammunition is now by default banned by the ATF, because the ban has always been there regarding certain types of armor-piercing ammunition and handguns. But what happened is they exempted the green-tipped ammunition from being classified under the ban. So now in this new proposal, or the new regulations that were sent out by the ATF, they have now taken that exemption out, which pretty much classifies the green-tipped ammunition as a banned round in the eyes of the ATF. So folks, I think we really need to move on this and really push our elected officials to investigate the ATF. I think it'd be a great thing to see the ATF completely abolished myself. But feel free to comment below, like it, subscribe, and get this passed around, because definitely the ATF, this Obama administration, is completely out of control, and our freedoms are definitely in jeopardy. So hope you all have a good night tonight, and run the race and keep the faith. This is Machine Gun Preacher out.